drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate.
What is good, y'all? It's your boy Mike D, back with another video. This one, just something I happened to pick up the other day. See what you guys think. Before we do all that, you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment on the video. Let me know what you guys think. These probably ain't gonna be something that I'm gonna keep, but I don't know. They're starting to grow on me a little bit the more that I look at them. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So let's go. Let's read the tag off. These are Air Jordan 6 Retro. This is gonna be the wash denim. Okay. Is there a color code right there? Yep, wash denim, black sail. Okay. Right, so let's get that out of here. Plain old Jordan 6 box, nothing crazy. Let's open these up, see what we got. See how they look in person. I thought they looked pretty good on the website, man, but you know, I just wanted to see them in person. And my thoughts are, they're actually pretty nice. It's got that nice smell inside. I do like them, man. I really kind of do. I like that brown. The brown right there goes good with the denim. And it feels really nice. Like the quality feels pretty good. It's got that nice Jordan smell inside. All right, so let's just take a look at these. So we'll go around, all the way around. See what you guys think. Okay. Let's just grab these and go around. There we go. The Jumpman on the back. Yep. All right. We got the other one. So. Yep. Let's take a look at the bottoms. Clear bottom. Yep, just regular plain old 6 bottom. So nothing really crazy about these. You know, black laces with the denim. I don't know. I'm kind of digging them. What do you guys think? Let me get your comments. See what you guys think about this shoe. Did you guys cop these? Like, I had gift cards from Christmas and whatnot, so I just copped these with some gift cards. So I wound up literally paying like $7 out of my pocket for these things. So it is what it is. But I like them. I think you can make these work. I think you definitely can make these work. So it's a quick video, short video. See what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know. Just some video out of the blue just to see what you guys think of these shoes. I'm starting to kind of like them. Let me know. All right. Peace out.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.